This is the review of a Ubit WAE 3422 wireless PC card that's both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, speeds up to 300 megabits per second, and it also features Bluetooth 4.0. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. In the box you'll find your power connection that goes from your PC's motherboard into the card once you have it installed. Some mounting hardware, the screws in case you don't have them. It has a short plate for the back in case you have a small factor PC. There are two antennas that you will attach to the back of the card. And then looks like we have the card itself that will go into your PCIe slot in your motherboard. And then you have your DVD with most likely the drivers and some Bluetooth drivers, as well as a manual. What I would suggest doing first is find a free USB spot on your motherboard. Here I have my USB 1 port that's free. The other one is going to the front header. So I'm going to actually plug this end of this black cable into that white spot. It only goes in one way. There's a missing pin on here and there's a missing pin on there, and go ahead and connect that before you put the card in for convenience. Once you have the motherboard side of the black cable attached, you're going to take the small end and right on the side of the card here, this little black square on the right above the small set of pins, that's where you're going to plug in that black cable on the card. And once you have that, you're just going to go ahead and find the free PCIe Express slot. I have two available. You can plug it into the short one or the long one. As you see, I have removed one of the back plates. And that is exactly where this card is going to go in this orientation. So I'm going to go ahead and connect up the cable and install the card. Alright, so as you can tell, the card has been successfully seated into that slot right there. And I have it also lined up here, so now I just need to tighten the black screw on the back plate and go ahead and fire up the PC. One other thing I forgot to mention is go ahead and take the two antennas that you got in the packaging and install them by screwing them directly onto those gold looking posts. It doesn't matter which one of these goes on which one of those, they're exactly the same. So just go ahead and screw them on. You don't need any tools for this, just use your thumbs. We are all booted up with the antennas installed. The Windows 10 actually automatically detected the new card and installed the wireless driver, so I'm connected to my 5G network. We're going to go ahead and do a quick speed test. This is not performance of the product. I only have, I believe, a 60 to 100 megabits a second. So great ping right there. And there's my full speed actually. That's exactly what I pay for. But remember, this product is able to go up to 300 megabits per second. So if you have higher internet speeds, it should definitely go ahead and go all the way up to that advertised number. My upload is only 10 megabits a second, so it looks like we're just about there. That is all. So once again, that is the Ubit 5G, 2G, and Bluetooth 4.0 adapter. And really quick, I did want to show that it does have Bluetooth enabled. There's my Bluetooth logo on my Windows settings. I can go to settings, and surely some devices are definitely recognizable.